Hi everybody, it's Ed with another trading video. I wanted to go through today's price action and trading using Trader Days, some of the work that he's done using 90-minute sessions and what they call true opens and true opens for each 90-minute session. So let's go. Okay, here's you can see here from yesterday we had Globex open. It came down. We're making making higher lows and higher highs in the Asian session, of course, when everything kind of kicks off. And they keep buying. You notice that the daily VWAP is green. So we're trading above. We're waiting, basically waiting to come down here. We made a new low. We pop up. As we pop above the value area or the VWAP, you buy it, or you can buy it here, or you can buy it here, anywhere in here. VWAP pullbacks. We're buying pullbacks since it's basically bouncing off VWAP and going higher. So where are we going to go? Well, let's see. Here's a target here. There's a VPOC target here, and there is a target here from VWAP, previous day's VWAP. I believe that is the, let's see, yeah, that's the daily VWAP. So it basically fell off the face of the earth here. Okay, so coming up, you're relying on VWAP right here. If you'd gone long at VWAP here and held it, you might have gotten stopped. You could have gotten stopped out here, okay? So that may be one stop out trade. You take it again when it comes back up through VWAP. The 1 hour is above the daily VWAP, so that's going to keep you in trend nicely. So it comes up here, comes up here, comes up here. Here's your Globex open. Here is midnight open right here. Midnight open is higher than Globex open, and then London open is higher than midnight open. Okay, so basically we're walking up, and that supports your up move. Okay, now all of a sudden we've got a VPOC that okay, we've got a VPOC that moved up right here. Okay, here's your VWAP here. The start of the Q4 session is a little bit lower than the start of the Q3. Okay, so you either get out of your long as it comes up here and it starts the session, or you basically flip and go short. And of course your target is right here. There's the low of the fourth quarter London session, right into that VWAP. Right, here's your daily VWAP. So what happens if you want to go long? You can certainly go long, but watch this. Okay, the New York Open, which was the True Open, which they call the True Open, which is 7 o'clock. What happened? They popped it up here. They're basically selling this. They're selling the Open. They were buying Globex, buying Midnight Open, buying London, and then they're starting to sell. You're trading below the New York True Open, which is at 7 o'clock. So they're selling it. Pops back up here for another bite of the apple, coming down, okay? And here it goes. And now you're starting to sell off. Well, if you came in, you're coming in at 10 o'clock in the morning and going, gee, I overslept. What do I do? This is right here. This is and I'm sorry, that's not the 1 hour. That's the 90-minute VWAP. Okay, and I believe I got that. Yeah, there's 90. It's the 90-minute VWAP. Okay, so you're pulling back between the 90-minute VWAP and the daily VWAP. See how that 90-minute VWAP starts separating from the daily VWAP? So you're riding this 90-minute VWAP down, shorting every time. Every time it comes up here, short it. You put your stop up here above that VWAP, right? so that when it starts separating here and starts driving price down, you've got your stop very comfortably back. So you could sell anywhere in here, sell here, sell here, sell here. You could take profits here at value area low, profit right here, it bounces back up, profit here if you want to, bounces up a little bit, profit bounces up a little bit. Right here, you go, you take your profit, you go short, short, short. You could add, if you're on micros, even minis, just add. You can add as long as it's popping up here, you can, in closing, as it comes back through, you can short it again, short it again, short it again. What happens? Now, where do you get out? See where this PM true open is? Okay, so that PM true open here is, that's where you can go long, right? As it opens, it came back down here, established a new value area low right there, okay? Now, what are you going to do? Well, gee, I didn't know it was going to do it. I could buy it right here, where the previous value area low was. You buy it there, or you can buy it on the pullback right there. You'd have to keep your stop back a little bit. You're looking at that 42.8250, and you're looking at 40.8025. So you're looking at maybe a 3-point stop there. Just pull it back there. You'd ordinarily have your stop down below here anyway, and because this is value area low, 3-day value area low, and here we go up, all the way up to right here. See that? See that VPOC right there? That 3-day VPOC, which basically we rotated around. It looked pretty useless until we drove it right up here and then shorted it, and then here's your target, and then you can short it again. Okay. So that was pretty much, what's going on. Now, for the Globex session, okay, for Globex, what you're looking for is you're looking for right here. See where this is? Here's the weekly VWAP. Now here's where the weekly VWAP comes into play. It's starting to flatten out. What's that mean? That means it's going to chop a little bit, probably chop tomorrow. You want to look at the hourly and the daily VWAP and see what's going on. So you could have bought Globex, the Globex Open, pull back down here. See where that VPOC was? Pull right back down there, bounced off VPOC. You buy it, you drive it right, and it drove right back up to that London True Open line, and then sold. Okay. Anyway, I just wanted to walk through that and show you where the potential trades were today, if you took them. If you had this kind of chart, it gives you a very, very clear picture of structure, no matter where you're coming in the market. See, coming up here, you're making higher highs, now you made a lower high. So you got a trend change right there for that session. So it came down to VWAP, came back up. There is your New York True Open at 7 o'clock and came down. This was at 9:05. It retested it and you couldn't buy up there, so sold off. Boom. And that's how you could get into that nice sell-off today. Anyway, I hope this helps, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.